Okay, here's
Okay.
Olivia
Here you go.
doing her
Here's your egg.
second Easter egg. Ooh,
Good
yay!
job.
Livy!
Yay!
Her finger.
She put the first one in her mouth. Good job, babe.
Okay.
We're dying Easter eggs.
Yes.
April
your name.
2009.
Other side.
Here comes Zoe. You see him, Liz? Can you see him? Yeah, you did
Remember
it.
how to do it, Zoe? There you go.
And then you girls get to put your names
Okay,
in.
which color are you going to do? You going to do that one?
Yeah.
Or you can do green?
Let me.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Oopsie.
No, looks all right.
Wow, that's a tough egg. Good thing we have that towel down,
Yeah. Good job.
huh? Ooh, that's gonna be pretty.
Do green.
Well, you
Oh, I'm
know,
sorry.
we can do that one when we take that one out.